She has a very high efficiency throughout this conference.
Staunton will counter. Down the line. Nahuli ni Pablo. Brooke Pansicco. Oh, what a block! Staunton and Bea De Leon coming together. That's huge. Oh, he's the #1 local, scoring local.
Great timing, great penetration, and definitely urgency. Talking about the cool smashers.
That's a good serve too. Great save by Tepetura. Outside set to Pons. That was tough. And Myla Pablo with a solid offense there together with Ethan Arce.
Hit her position, which is her original position. Magaling na talaga siya mag-timing at mag-penetrate sa block eh. More so na nasa opposite siya ngayon.
5-point lead for Creamline. It's been the serves. Serves have been working for Creamline.
Kapag hindi nila kinargahan yung kanilang mga serves. And right now we see Negrito.
Alam mo, we can legitimately call this a rivalry, a classic rivalry, these two teams. Just a lot of action at the net, a lot of good hits. Pansicco.
Look at the value of having Brooke Pansicco as part of your roster or nabawasan ka sa offense.
Sabi mo nga.
Back points for the 2024 MVP.
Such a feat, Bella, that yun na nga talagang inunahan pa niya yung ibang mga reinforcements in terms of their ranking as best scorer. Contact niya sa bola, bilis, saka yung pitik niya talaga.
Not even the tallest player on the floor, but definitely a very athletic player.
Again, Brooke this time from the right pin. Good answer by Creamline. Chance now for the Cool Smashers to counter. Pons again! Just malagay-lagay lang si Pons.
Nalaganda rin ang naging discard ni Pons dito. At makikita natin it was Arce left to block her all alone. Si Janelle Cheng hindi na nakapunta sa the two winningest club teams here in the PBL. Just really on a showdown.
Oh! The ball's still alive. Another chance here for Creamline. Pons will go again. Short. Montilias too smart for that one. Play continues. Salas with a tip. Another one for Pons to stop. Where will Cheng go? Salas. Oh! Too bad for her. She knew what she wanted to do there. Clear